Hi there, my name is Esper and welcome to my class on improving your drawing accuracy. In this class, we will be going over a few quick daily exercises you can do to help improve your drawing accuracy and drawing confidence. I've learned these techniques over the past 4 years, partaking in events such as Inktober, March of Robots, Sketch Dailies, and just drawing a lot. Filling pages with seemingly pointless art every day had actually done something incredible. It had increased my drawing accuracy tenfold and made me way more confident in just getting something on the page. And it even got my art noticed. My precise drawing skills had grabbed the attention of a few buyers. This class is for anyone looking to improve on their drawing skills in any medium. Whether it's fine liner pens, ink brushes, or even digital, this course is for you. So if you're keen on improving your drawing accuracy, grab a pen and join me in class.